Hello everyone, my name is Joe Terhune and I work in the 12th Judicial Circuit Court of Florida's IT department. In this video, I will demonstrate how to register for a subscriber account, how to manage your account, and how to use the subscribe feature to receive notification when content on the site changes. To get started, we'll navigate to jud12.flcourts.org. After the site loads, you will notice two links in the top right-hand corner of the screen, Register and Login. To start the registration process, I will select the Register link. You will notice that we provide two separate account types, attorney accounts and subscriber accounts. In this video, we will demonstrate how to register for a subscriber account, so I'm going to select that option. You can see here that subscriber accounts can receive email notifications when content changes and can access the Certified Process Server application. Now that I've selected subscriber account, I will select the Continue button at the bottom of the form. To make sure we haven't already registered with a different username, the form will check if our email address already exists. If our email address already exists, we will receive a notice with instructions to use the Request Password Reset feature. In order to receive the password reset email, make sure you allow emails from webhelp@jud12.flcourts.org. If the email address does not exist, we will continue with the registration process. I'm going to use a username of sample user, but you can use whatever username you like as long as it's at least 3 characters long. Or you could also use your email address. Passwords must be a minimum of 8 characters and contain at least one non-alphanumeric character. In other words, a character that is not a number or a letter. Next, you'll need to enter a display name. When logged in, the display name will appear at the top of the page in place of the register link. We can see that it copied our email address from the other page, but you can at this time change it if you like. Now to complete the registration process, I'll click the Submit button. We are automatically logged into the site and we can see our display name here at the top. I'm going to go ahead and click the display name, which is a link to the profile page. On this page, we have 4 tabs that allow us to manage our account. The first tab allows us to change the display name or the email address. The second tab allows us to change our password. The third tab allows us to add profile information or request attorney access after our account's already been created. The last tab allows us to manage subscriptions. We can see here that it's currently blank, so let's go to a page that allows us to subscribe to some content notifications. I'm going to go up here and select Administrative Orders. Not all, but some of the pages include these subscribe links. And this allows us to get notifications when the content on this page changes. So I'm going to go ahead and click subscribe here. If at a later date I decide to unsubscribe, I can just click the button again and I'll be unsubscribed. I'm going to go ahead and resubscribe, and then I'm going to go to one of our division pages. So let's select Civil. I'm going to scroll down and we can see that there is a subscribe button next to each division section. So I'm going to go ahead to the Manatee tab and select Judge Charles Sniffen. I'm going to go to Sarasota County and select Judge Stephen Walker. Now I'm going to go to the top of the screen and select the display name again. Once on the profile page, I'm going to click Manage Subscriptions. And here we can see the different sections that we subscribe to. If I click the link, it takes me to the page where I subscribed. It also shows me the date that I subscribed and gives me a little trash icon so that I can delete my subscription if I want to. So I'm going to go ahead and delete my subscription to Circuit Civil Division A. It asks me if I'm sure that I want to delete this subscription. I'm going to say yes, and you can see that the subscription has been removed. Before we end this video, I'm going to go to the logout link and then click on Login. In the event that you forget your password, click the Reset Password button here on the login form. Here we can enter our username, our email address, which I've done in this case, or if I had registered for attorney access, I could enter my bar number. Next, I'll click on the I'm Not a Robot and then Send Reset Link. It lets me know that if I entered everything correctly, I'm going to get an email. Before you submit your request, make sure that you can receive emails from webhelp at jud12.flcourts.org. If you entered your information correctly and you're able to receive emails from webhelp at jud12.flcourts.org, here is an example of the email you will receive. We can see here that it has a link to the site address, it has our username, and it has a link to reset the password. I'm going to go ahead and click on this so we can see what that form looks like. And here we are on the password reset page. You simply enter a new password and confirm it, and then click Change Password, and your password will be successfully changed. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in registering as an attorney, please watch our video on how to register for attorney access.